What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a review video on the smartphone tripod with mount adapter. This is a versatile tripod where the legs are bendable to mount it on different surfaces. This came from Five Below for $5. The brand is Prime Connect. On the front it shows it securely mounted on a bar. On the back, it showed being used as a tripod in the sand, and also bent so that it sits on a rock. So let's try it out. First, I'll open the box. And this is what we have. Here's the holder, and here's the tripod. The tripod has a surface with the threaded rod, and the holder has a tapped hole. So these must go together. I should also show that there's a rubber knurled washer here. So once you screw it on, it'll stay in place. Now the holder does have a lot of flexibility. It can rotate in pretty much every direction. And there's a locking bolt here to secure it when you get it in the position that you want it. Not too bad. According to the box, it works with smartphones with screens sizes 4 to 6 inches. Here's an old iPhone that I have. This measures 2.5 by 5. It looks like at its smallest, it's at 2 inches. And stretched all the way out, it's 3.25. So if the width of your phone is somewhere between 2 inches and 3.25, it should fit in here. So let's put it in. The phone is in. This is just a tab to pull it open and closed. So it's only secured by the spring inside. It seems strong enough, especially if you're just setting it somewhere. Now the flexible tripods, this is made out of foam. Squishy foam. It is very bendable. I would assume that it's just a steel wire in here. Well, let's try to recreate the 3 positions that are shown on the box and see if it works as advertised. First, we'll try the standard tripod arrangement shown here in the sand. Yep, no problem. This works great. Next, I've wrapped it around a horizontal bar as shown on the front of the box. And that works just fine. No issues here. For the final test, we'll set it up on terrain that looks similar to this. 2 legs on the front with 1 leg on the back. So here's some similar terrain. No problem. So, with the test completed, This smartphone tripod does everything it's advertised to do. It's very flexible and has a lot of versatility. The advertised 4 to 6 inch phone is kind of irrelevant. This can fit a width between 2 and 3¼ inches. For $5, this is worth every penny. The only problems I see is maybe if you step on it and break the holder, or over time if you bend these wires too much and they fatigue and break. But again, for $5, this is worth every penny, and I recommend it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'm making new videos frequently, at least once a week. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. Subscribing will really help the channel. I'll see you in the next video. First I'll open the box.